Itel launched this 23 in June, and today the company followed it up with the Itel S23. The Itel S23 is built around a 6.78 fold curved always on AMOLED display with 99 dpi-P3 color gamut, 500 nits peak brightness, and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It also has a fingerprint reader underneath for biometric authentication and a center punch hole for the 32 selfie camera. Moreover, the Itel S23 features Apple's Dynamic Island-like dynamic bar, allowing users to check notifications for incoming calls, reminders, and battery status. However, it won't be available out of the box and will be rolled out with a software update. Around the back, we have a squircle-shaped camera island, housing LED flash and 2 cameras, a 50 IPM primary and an auxiliary unit. The camera comes with eye tracking and portrait lead features for better portraits. The back panel of the colorful Lake Siam model is made with an iridescent thick plating technique to recreate the beauty of lake and mountain, while the rear cover of the elemental blue version is made with an advanced glitter sand process, recreating the beauty of a starry night. Under the hood, the Itel S23 has the Unisoc TX116 SoC with 8GB RAR all PDR4X RAM, 8GB virtual, and 256B UFS 2.0 storage. Itel says the S23 uses Atom storage technology that automatically detects and organizes fragmented data on your phone, so you don't have to worry about your phone's performance getting worse over time. Moreover, the Atom storage technology keeps the read and write speed as good as new, with only a 3 decrease in speed after 4 years of use. On the software side, the Itel S23 has Android 13, based Itel OS 13 integrated with Ivanai GPT AI-based voice assistant. Fueling the entire package is a 5000 mAh battery that draws power through a USB-C port at up to 18 ws, from flat to 100 in about 2 hours. The Itel S23 is 7.9 mm thin, weighs 178 gz, and comes with an NFC chip. It's priced at $120 or $139,980 and is available for purchase in African countries through local Itel shops. The global price in other markets will be under $160 off free IV1. Dokanizing IVA I13,310. Itel is also offering a 3-year warranty instead of the standard 1-year warranty and a 6-month free screen replacement to buyers.